a psycho in my head. I'm closer to the edge, making me feel like I'm living in misery, misery, insane. These voices in my brain, starting to feel like it's gonna be the death of me, death of me. There's a psycho in my head.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 368, effective until 0600 a.m. Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Nebraska: Butler and Seward. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 368 has been issued until 0600 a.m. Saturday for the following counties in Nebraska, Butler, and Seward.
Well, crap, this is gonna be, crap. This is gonna be a long night. What's this?
Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 369 has been issued until 10 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Sarpy and Saunders.
Well, that's really gonna be a long night now.
Counties in northeastern Nebraska, west central Butler County, eastern Boone County in northeastern Nebraska, southwestern Stanton County in northeastern Nebraska until 4:30 a.m. At 3:43 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 8 miles northeast of Newman Grove to 4 miles south of Lindsay to 7 miles north of Archer, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lindsay around 3:50 a.m. Madison, Humphrey, and Platte Center around 4 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Creston, Stanton, Lee, and Duncan. People attending Pawnee Park in Columbus should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 04:30 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Antelope, Boone, Butler, Colfax, Madison, Platte, and Stanton. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 3. Severe thunderstorm warning information. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Nance County, Northeastern Merritt County, Northern Polk County until 5:00 a.m. At 4:28 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Silver Creek, or 18 miles west of Columbus, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Nance, northeastern Merritt, and northern Polk counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Merrick, Nance, and Polk.
Yeah,